The future is now. The past 5 years has seen an explosion in terms of practical uses for digital technology techniques. Long promised as being an inescapable certainty, advancements in scanning and 3D printing technology has finally led us to a total digital workflow for many products. Most prominently, Utica Dental Lab has invested in a Carbon M1 DLS 3D printer and an EOS M100 DMLS 3D printer. These two pieces of equipment allow for a digital, additive manufacturing process for both metal and polymer restoration solutions. In addition to the 3D printers, Utica Dental Lab has also invested in a number of 3-shape benchtop scanners and software, as well as all of the computing power necessary for designing advanced restorations. Our Ivoclar PrograMill 7 opens new avenues for creating advanced techniques, including the Ivotion monolithic denture. Utica Dental Lab is committed to providing our clients the most advanced and comprehensive dental technology solutions. Now and in the future, Utica Dental Lab will be your preferred digital dental laboratory.